The string starts with method in Python tells if a string starts with another string. Let's set up some quick code to see how starts with works. We'll make a string s that will be Parker Meadows. Let's see if Parker Meadows starts with P. Parker Meadows does start with P, so starts with returns true. Let's see if Parker Meadows starts with P or AR or cur. In this case, starts with has also returned true. When you pass in a tuple of strings to start with, the initial string only has to start with one of the strings in the tuple to return true. Okay, now we'll check if Parker Meadows starts with par, starting at index 0. It does, as starts with returns true, meaning within the specified range that you gave starts with, this being from index 0 to the end of the string, Parker Meadows does start with par. To take this example further, we'll see if Parker Meadows start with par, but start at index 1. It does not, as starts with returns false. This is saying, within the range of index 1 to the end of the string, Parker Meadows does not start with par. Finally, I won't do a whole other example for this, but you can pass in two numbers to starts with to provide a starting and then a stopping index to look for the desired starting string. But, like Python's normal trickiness with bounds, the ending index is not included in this case. For example, passing in 0 and 2 starts at 0 and ends at 1. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.